How do you Kinesio tape for neck pain? In this video, I'm going to show you how I Kinesio tape for generalized neck support in 3 easy steps, as well as a few tips and tricks to make Kinesio taping easier. Hey guys, what's crackin'? It's Dr. Nevel, aka Dr. Jinja Ninja, aka the Firecracker Chiropractor. And today we're taping a neck for generalized neck pain. Before we start Kinesio taping, you need to make sure the skin is prepped so the tape lasts longer. I use alcohol to make sure the skin is clean and free from any sweat, oils, or lotions. Also, if you have a lot of hair on your neck, use some clippers to trim it up so the tape sticks better to your skin. For today's Kinesio taping, we're going to use one 5-inch strip of tape and 2 8-inch strips of Kinesio tape. Pro tip number 1, round the corners of the tape and it won't catch on the clothing and it will last longer. Pro tip number 2, to remove the tape from the paper, don't try to peel it from the edge. The center of the tape should be applied with about 75% tension over the part of the neck where you're having the most pain. The anchors at both ends should be applied with 0 tension. Next, we're going to apply the 8-inch strips. Start at the top of the neck, laying the anchor down with 0 tension. Next, flex the neck to stretch the muscles. Then apply the tape with about 30% tension along the neck muscles down to the upper back. The ending anchor should be applied with 0 tension. Pro tip number 3, try rubbing the tape, naturally heating it up to activate the adhesive, making the tape adhere better and last longer. When you're done, the tape should look like this and add support to your neck muscles during movement. Now, if you're having pain in your shoulders, you should check out this video, or check out our full playlist on how to Kinesio tape different injuries below. And if this video helped you out, punch that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.